Are you struggling to manage tax exemptions for different customers on your Shopify store? Manually validating VAT IDs or collecting exemption forms can be time-consuming and frustrating. Introducing the Tax Exempt app by Addify, the easiest way to automate tax exemption approvals. Whether you're selling to EU VAT-registered businesses or handling B2B customers who qualify for tax-free purchases, this app takes care of it all. Let's see how this app works. Click on Apps and go to the Tax Exempt app. First, go to General Settings and enable the app. Next, move to the Tax Exempt Form Settings tab. Here, you can access different tax exemption form settings. You can add or remove fields, write custom field labels, and even make specific fields required or optional. You can also allow your customers to upload files in various formats, such as PDF and JPEG. Now, click on the Save button to proceed further. Now open EU VAT Exemption tab. Enable the EU VAT exemption to automatically validate VAT numbers during checkout. If the number is valid, tax will be automatically removed. Now write the custom text for the input field and field placeholder to guide your customers while filling out the VAT exemption form. Additionally, you can personalize the Submit button to match your store's branding. Set custom button text and choose your desired text color and background color. Finally, set up alert messages that customers will receive based on the validation status of their VAT number. Click on the Save button and open the Customer's Settings tab. This app gives you full control over which customers can access tax exemption on your store. You can automatically allow tax exemption for all customers or specific customer tags. Next, select which customers are required to apply for tax exemption through the form. You can also select customers who will be auto-approved for exemptions as soon as they apply for it. Save these settings to move to the next step. Open the Email Notifications tab to set up custom email notifications for both customers and admins. For customers, you can set up separate messages for approvals, rejections, pending, and expired exemption statuses. This will keep your customers informed at every step of the process. Additionally, you can customize the email subject and body content using dynamic variables, allowing you to include actual exemption details in the emails. For store admins, you can enable email notifications to be alerted whenever a new tax exemption request is submitted. Click the Save button to apply the settings. Now again, open the General Settings. Add an admin email address to send notifications of tax-exempt requests. Write different custom notification messages for different stages of tax exemptions that will be displayed on the tax-exempt form page. Now, write a custom notification message to be displayed on the cart page. You can also enable the Admin Notification checkbox to allow store admins to receive tax exemption notifications in the Order Details page. Now, let's visit the front end of your store to see how the tax exemption app looks. To check if the app is working, add some products to the cart and open the cart page. Here, your customer will be able to see the EU VAT exemption field. If they wish to manually enter their tax details, they can click the link provided and will be redirected to the tax exemption form page. On this page, they will find the actual form with all the custom fields you've defined. If you want to see all tax exemption requests within a single page, we have you covered. Open the app and click the Tax Exemption Request tab. Here you'll see a complete list of all customers who have applied for tax exemptions. You can easily review each request and manually approve or reject them based on your review. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.